Today we talk about how can you find tags on your My Jewelry app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on tags here. We just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all tags you have in this list here. It's going to show for you here. So like you see, I have no tags yet in my tourist here, but if you have it, can you find it in this list here on your My Jewelry app? So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.